God made the ocean. And salt water is not going to hurt your hair. Salt water is great for everything from your body to your hair to, it's healing. So I know summer's here. We're probably gonna recycle our summer ocean and pool preventative video, but another take on water and summer, whether you're going into the pool or the ocean, is, remember in our earlier video I said that if you're going to a chlorinated pool, that your hair should be sopping wet so that the chlorine doesn't attach itself to your dry hair. Your hair should be sopping wet, and about a quarter of a cup or a capful of your favorite oil in your sopping wet hair, and put it in 2 plaits, but don't leave the hair out, and that will prevent the hair from absorbing any chlorine, which is not what you would do if you went into the ocean. Salt water is not going to hurt your hair. Salt water is great for everything from your body to your hair to, it's healing. But you should also make sure that you have a big bottle of Quench Ultra Rich Conditioner, like you would if you came out and sat on your beach towel or your cabana with your suntan oil or sunscreen, and you wouldn't, just like you wouldn't come out of the ocean with putting all that on, you shouldn't come out of the ocean without having a big bottle of Quench Ultra Rich Conditioner for your hair, because your hair, although loved the ocean and the water, it also loves conditioner. So go back and forth, in and out as often as you want into the ocean, because your hair loves it, but just make sure that you have Quench Ultra Rich Conditioner with you to give your hair some love every time you come out of the ocean. But I say all that to say is that if you're a blonde, your blonde loves the ocean because it's salt water and it brightens up blonde hair really well. If you're a brunette, the chlorine loves your hair because it cuts away red, and it takes any kind of weird cast of, because most brunettes have a red undertone, and the chlorine cuts the color of the chlorine, that green color cuts any red. So that's my little color tip. Hope that helps, and you get bright and luscious hair color this summer from Kateria here at Hair Rules. It is summer and it's time to switch up your color. Go bright or go home. So if you like these videos, I hope that you click like and subscribe, and go to hairrules.com for further education and find a regimen and products that are specific to your hair texture, not someone else's. And so every day can be a great hair day. And yeah, see you soon.